sitting here, we're at the Build Expo, and I've got lovely
Genesis here.
Genesis with me. What do you do for the company?
So I'm a salesperson. I represent Restoration Nation and what we all have to offer. We're a construction company. We do commercial, residential, remodeling, and restoration.
Phenomenal.
Yes.
And you were telling me about a promotion that you've got right now.
Yes.
And what is that?
Yes, so we're offering a free architecture program right now. We do free renderings and free scanning for our clients, no contract. You also don't have to pay any deposits on it. If, for example, you want to remodel your home or your kitchen, you get to see all that live before investing in your home.
Phenomenal.
Yes.
How long have you been doing what you do?
I've been doing this for 3 years. I'm also a realtor, so I kind of know how the inside works. I can help you with homes and land projects as well.
That is awesome.
Yes.
So in business, what have you, so you're doing real estate, you're doing architecture, all this stuff. What is one thing in business you absolutely have got figured out?
Ooh, custom builds.
Yeah?
Yes, a lot of people right now are wanting to spend a lot of money on homes, but the homes that are already available, it's not to their liking. So
No.
we do custom homes for them,
Yeah.
and we show them what we can offer them, and they get to do their dream home.
That's phenomenal.
Yes, yes.
You know, and do you find that people's dream home is their forever home?
Yes, I do. Especially if they have kids. Sometimes they might downsize once the kids leave the nest, but they end up staying there for 30 years, I would say.
What's the hottest market in DFW right now? Where's the territory that's like on fire?
Frisco, Plano, Salina, and Prosper. That's where
so up
everyone
north?
is moving. Yes,
Yeah.
all up north for
Yeah.
sure.
Awesome. What's the average size square footage you guys work with?
For custom builds, we do around 3,000 to 4,000 square feet. If it's finding them a home or building them like a pretty big house, we would say around maybe 6,000 to 8,000 square feet.
Yeah.
Yes, pretty big
Phenomenal.
homes. Yes.
So if you had a nugget of information for somebody that was looking for something, what's that one thing you would tell someone?
Ooh, that's a good question. Definitely do your research on who you're working with, because some people don't have the best interest. And here at Restoration Nation, not just because I work for them, but I used to work with them before I joined the company. They were really there for me 24/7. We have an emergency hotline, and we're really here to help the people.
That's phenomenal. Where would you go to do that research?
You would go to our website, restorationnationtexas.com, and you'll have all the renderings, all the pictures, and all the projects that we worked with.
Give me one thing you want to learn more about.
Oh, I would say more commercial, I would say. We do a lot of commercial high-rises, but that's more on the construction side, and I want to be more involved in that. So that's something I'd want to learn more about.
Phenomenal.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your time
Thank
today.
you so much for having me. I
Of course,
appreciate it.
absolutely.
Yes, thank you.
Back to you.